Go to apps, Play Store, and it will ask you for email. And email is Chan Singh Basi. Go on forward arrow, hit OK, and now password. So password is A M R I T Amrit, and now I use remote 4 3 3 2 1. Hit next arrow. After that it will ask you for accept. Just hit OK, go on accept and hit OK. And make sure turn off this box. And now hit OK on next. Scroll down to watch. Look for the app STV Imo Pro, this one. Maybe you have to write down on the search box STV Imo Pro and hit OK. Hit install. Still downloading. After that, go on open. After that, app will show open like that. So first option is configure application, something like that. So hit OK. Now we are going to profile modify. Go on profile, new profile, right hand side. So hit OK. So go on first option, profile name. So give it name whatever you want to give it, or just use same name. So if you want to change the name, just set back key from your mode, this one, and now go to back and hit OK from your mode and delete it. So I think I'm going to give it name new TV, and again hit back arrow, close it and go on OK and hit OK. So now we are going to set second option, portal setting. First option, portal URL. Again hit this back arrow from your mode and now go at the back. Okay, now I'm at back, so hit OK again and go to back arrow, sorry, back cross. So put your server URL, which one is I don't know. So in my case it's 905. After that IP TV dot com. Again hit back arrow from your remote nearby. Okay, so go on OK and hit OK. That's it. So after that, once again hit back arrow and now go to STV configuration. So my MAC address is 001A794999B3C. So hit live TV from your remote. So did you see it's totally different on my box. So make sure we have to change this MAC address in our application we installed just now. So it's a 001A794AF140. So again, once again hit home key. So go on apps. There you go. So now we have to hit menu from remote and go on settings, profile, new TV, and third option STV configuration, MAC address, and now we are going to change this MAC address. After match the MAC address, hit back arrow and hit OK to save it. So now let me check it again, F4AF140. Let me check on other side. So it's same, hit back, again back arrow. So now hit menu, this one, and go on profile, hit right arrow, this one, and now hit OK. There you go. There you go, that's it.